in our previous classes, we are already known how to find solution to a pair of linear equations. Now we can continue some problems. In our previous class, we did three problems related to equations reducible to a pair of linear equations. Now very interesting problem. So that is fourth one. 1 by 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. And another one, 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. So here how many equations? Here it has two equations. So these two equations are not there in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Now we want to convert we have to reduce these equations in standard form in the form of x and y or p and q. So r, l and m. Now observe this one. So 2 by root x can be written as 2 times 1 by root x plus 3 by root y can be written as 3 times 1 by root y, which is equal to 2. And another equation, 4 by root x can be written as 4 times 1 by root x plus 9 by root y can be written 9 times 1 by root y, which is equal to minus 1. Now very easy. Let us take 1 by root x is equal to p. 1 by root y is equal to q. You can consider 1 by root x as p, 1 by root y as q. Now the equations will become 2 times p plus 3 times q is equal to 2. We got one equation. Call it as equation 1. Call this as equation 1. And another one, 4 times p plus 9 times q is equal to minus 1. Now observe these two. 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. 4p plus 9q is equal to minus 1. Call this as 2. Directly it is not possible to eliminate. So here it has 3, here it has 9. So 2 is the numerical quotient of p, 4 is the numerical quotient of p. Therefore we have to eliminate p. For that you can multiply equation 2 by 2, it will become 4. Therefore multiply equation 1 by 2. Now 2 2s are 4p plus 2 3s are 6. Variable q is equal to 2 2s are 4. Another equation? Yes, this is called as equation 3. Now let us take 2 and 3. Take equation 2 and 3. 2 is 4p plus 6q is equal to 4. Next, 4p plus 9q is equal to minus 1. Now what we have to do? Subtract. We can subtract this one, we can eliminate 4p. So minus will become plus. For plus 4p minus 4p to be cancelled. 6q, yes, minus 9q is minus 5, 6. Observe here, 6q and 9q. So 9q, that is positive sign. Second one is here actually the second one is negative sign, and the second one is here is minus, therefore it will become plus. So what is the sum of these two? Yes, it is 15q is equal to 5. Now q is equal to 5 by 15. Q is equal to 5 ones are 5 threes are. We got q value is 1 by 3. Even if you just instead of plus if you have written minus, the entire value is wrong. So you can observe carefully like this. Now after calculating p value, q value, we want to find p value. For that you can assume second or first equation. Let us take the first equation. Take equation 1. Take equation 1. What does equation 1 says? 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. Substitute q is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, 2p plus 3 times q is 1 by 3 is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 ones are cancel. 2p is equal to 1. 2p plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 transpose to RHS. 2p is equal to 2 is already there in RHS. Plus 1 will become minus 1. So 2p is equal to 1. 2p is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 by 2. We got p is 1 by 2. And q is 1 by 3. So using these two, you can convert x and y form. What you have taken? You have taken 1 by root x is, but we have taken 1 by root x is equal to p. So 1 by root x is equal to p is 1 by 2. You can cross multiply. Root x into 1 is root x is equal to 1 into 2 is 2. We got root x value, but we want x value. What we have to do? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, the value does not change. Root x whole square is equal to 2 square. Square and 2 cancel. Therefore, x is equal to 2 square is 4. We got x value 4. In the same way, we have taken 1 by root y is equal to q. But we know that 1 by root y q is how much? Yes, 1 by 3. You can cross multiply these two. Root y into 1 is root y. 1 into 3 is 3. So again squaring on both sides. So root 3 whole square. So instead of that, root y whole square is equal to 3 whole square. When we did squaring on both sides, the value does not change. Now y is equal to root 3 whole square is 9. So like this, we have to find x value and y value. Such a long process, it is very easy. Once again observe, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. So make this as, yes, 2 times 1 by root x plus 3 times 1 by root y is equal to 2. And second equation, 4 by root x can be written 4 times 1 by root x minus 9 by root y, 9 times 1 by root y is equal to minus 1. Now you can assume 1 by root x is p and 1 by root y is q. We got 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. So by multiplying equation 1 by 2, so simplify, we got make it to a numerical coefficient equal. Q numerical here we have made p numerical coefficients are equal. After that we got p value 1 by 2 and q value 1 by 3. The next thing is, so 1 by root x we have taken as p and 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. So we got x value 4 and y value 9. You can verify. So you will get LHS and RHS are always equal. I can pass on to the next variety of problem. Okay. Little bit some problems are there. So all the problems are very important and very easy if you follow these steps. Yes. Now the fifth problem. Yes, in reducible form. 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Very interesting problems. Now, usually it has a numerator and denominator. It has a numerator and denominator. Now observe here, 1 divided by x minus 1, 1 divided by x minus 1. Make this as p. So let us consider 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to p, and 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to q. Now our equation will become 5p plus q is equal to 2 of 5 divided by x minus 1 is 5 times 3 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is q, that is 2. 1 times q is equal to 2. Call this as 1. Equation 1. Second one, 6 divided by x minus 1 can be written as 6p minus 3 divided by y minus 2 can be written as 3q is equal to 1. Call this as equation 2. Now it's not possible to eliminate directly. For that, what we have to do, we want to eliminate 2. Here its numerical coefficient is minus 3. You can make this also 3. Therefore, multiply equation 1 by this 3. Now the equation 2 becomes 3 5s are 15 times p plus 3 into q. 3q is equal to 2. 2 3s are 6. Make this as equation 3. Now by taking 2 and 3, you can find p value and q value. So 15p plus 3q is equal to 6. Next equation, 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Now shall we add or subtract? Yes, we can add these two. So 3q minus 3q cancel. 15p plus 6p is 21p is equal to 6 plus 1 7. So p is equal to 7 by 21. P is equal to 7 1s are 7 3s are, it is 1 by 3. We got p value 1 by 3. Take equation 1. Take equation 1. Take equation 1, that is 5p plus q is equal to 2. So 5 times p is 1 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. So 5 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. So after this, so q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. So q is equal to 3 is an LCM. So 3 2s are 6 minus 5. So which is 1 by 3. Therefore q is equal to 1 by 3. Q is equal to 1 by 3. P is, yes, 1 by 3. Q is also 1 by 3. With the help of these two, you can find x value and y value. We know that 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p. Okay. Now 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p is 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p. P is how much? It is 1 by 3. Now simplify this one. X minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1, which is equal to 3 ones are 3. Now x is equal to 3 minus 1 will become plus 1, x is equal to 4. We got x value 4. And we know that 1 divided by y minus 2, which is equal to q. Which is equal to q. 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to q is 1 by 3. So cross multiply y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Minus 2 will become plus 4. So y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. So like this, we have to find x value as well as y value. Let's pass on to another problem. Yes. And the last one. Very interesting one. 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y is equal to 4, and 15 divided by x plus y minus 5 divided by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now simplify these two equations. Yes, assume, let us take 1 divided by x plus y is equal to p. We have taken 10 divided by x plus y. Among that, 1 by x plus y is equal to p. And 1 divided by x minus y is equal to q. Therefore, the equations will become 10p plus 2q is equal to 4. And another equation, 15p minus 5q is equal to minus 2. Call this as 1, this as 2. Now observe these two. Directly it is not possible to eliminate either p or q. That's why multiply equation 1 by 5 and 2 by 2. Now 5 tens are 50p plus 5 twos are 10q is equal to 5 fours are 20. Now this first equation will become 50p plus 10q is equal to 20. Second one, 2 15s are, yes, 30p minus 2 5s are 10q is equal to minus 2 2s are 4. Now add these two new equations. 10q minus 10q cancel. Now it will become 80p is equal to 16. Now p is equal to 16 by 80. 16 ones are 16 fives are. So p is equal to 1 by 5. We got p value 1 by 5. With the help of this, you can find q value. Take equation 1. What is that equation 1? 10p plus 2q is equal to 4. 10p plus 2q is equal to 4. We know that p 1 by 5. So 10 times 10 by 5 plus 2q is equal to 4. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Now 2 plus 2q is equal to 4. So 2q is equal to 4 minus 2. 2q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 1. So 2 by 2 will become 1. P is 1 by 5. Q is, observe that one, 10p plus 2q is equal to 4. 10 1 by 5 plus 2q is equal to 4. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 2 plus 2q is equal to 4. 2 transfer to RHS. So now we got Q value 1. But we know that 1 divided by x plus y is p. Now 1 divided by x plus y is equal to p is how much? 1 by 5. So it is x plus y is equal to 5. We got another equation. Call this as 3. And we know that 1 by x minus y is equal to q. 1 by x minus y is equal to q is 1. Simplify this one. So x minus y is equal to 1. Call this as equation 4. Even though we didn't get x value and y value. Now it is there in standard form. Add these two. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. Add these two. Y cancel. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. Now, so we know that x plus y is equal to 5. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. We got x value as well as y value. Once again look here. Very interesting one. 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y is equal to 4. So here actually, so a 10, so we have written as it is 1 by x plus y, we have taken it as p. 2 divided by x minus y, 2 times q is equal to 4, or it as equation 1. Now the second one, 15 by x minus x plus y will become 15p minus y, 5 times 1 divided by x minus y will become q is equal to minus 2. So two equations, numerical coefficients are not equal. Under that cases, you can make it as equal. So for that, equation 1 is multiplied by 5 because numerical coefficient of q is 5 in the second equation. So just an opposite numbers you can multiply one each one. So the second equation is multiplied by 2. We got first equation 50p plus 10q is equal to 20 after multiplying 5. And the second equation 30p minus 10q is equal to minus 4 after multiplying 2. Now add these two. Plus 10q cancel with minus 10q. 80p is equal to 16. P is equal to 16 by 80. Therefore P is equal to 1 by 5. Now take equation 1. 10p plus 2q is equal to 4. We got 2 value as 1. Now substitute in the, so what you are assuming 1 by x plus y is p, 1 divided by x minus y is q. So you can simplify. Directly it is not possible. Once again you can use elimination method. You can find x value and y value. So like this we have to find x value and y value. Some more problems are there. So we have to work out